Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming your phone supports high frame rates. Check settings about phone and camera app modes for 120 or 240 FPS. Once confirmed, free at least 1.2 GB of storage so captures don't stop mid-shot. Then open the native camera app, grant microphone and storage permissions, and switch to the slow motion or pro mode that lists FPS options. Make sure to stabilize the phone with a tripod or steady grip. Sharp frames are essential for smooth slow motion. Next, choose the appropriate FPS. 120 gives moderate slow down, 240 creates dramatic slow motion. Pick what your phone supports. Then reduce resolution if needed. 720p or 1080p saves space and reduces processing load, which lets you record longer. Position bright, even light. Slow motion needs shutter time, so more light prevents motion blur. Lock exposure and focus to avoid frame-to-frame flicker, then press record and after recording, open your gallery or preferred editor to trim and mark the slow motion segment. Many apps let you drag handles to set where slow begins and ends. Once satisfied, export using original FPS but choose a resolution that balances quality and file size. Save a copy before sharing. If playback is choppy, make sure the camera app and OS are updated, lower resolution, or try a well-rated third-party slow motion app. If problems persist, reboot the phone and retry the capture.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.